Just now getting around to checking swarm traps. Had my trusty rebaiting agent. Didn't need it. Doesn't really matter which way the box is set, as long as they've got a clean path in. At the edge of this little wooded area, you can hear cars going by behind me. There are a couple of ponds. One thing that me and Paul have figured out, you gotta have a water source. You can have the best box and the best location, but if there's no water source, doubt you're gonna get any bees. That's just a quick tip from years of doing this. Already bringing in pollen, so they've been here a while. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Hit that like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.